Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free. What is the process and how many days we are accessing ChatGPT Plus subscription free of cost. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I will show you this is my official ChatGPT account. Starting of the year, I get this subscription absolutely free for 1 year because of starting of the year ChatGPT are providing such an offer in some people living in India. So that time I get this subscription. I can access this subscription entire year till 2nd of Jan 2027. So this is the one of the option, but this option is not working yet. So look at this here. This is my another account in ChatGPT, and here one of the option is showing claim offer, and here the top of the screen also if I click here. So look at this here, two option is showing free. Everyone are using the free, but here the plus option I have available absolutely free for limited time, and I get this subscription for 1 month and afterwards I need to pay. This one promo price applied for 1 month starting from 5th of June and ending from 5th of July. If I claim this one, so I get ChatGPT Plus entire year. So how to claim this offer? It's very easy. Just simply click here, getting your plan ready, unlocking access to advanced. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process. Look at this here, plus subscription, cancel anytime while remind trial version is end. They are providing you total monthly subscription is a 143 Danish krona, but today you need to pay 00 Danish krona. I just simply add here my card detail. After adding here card detail and your name and address as well, you just simply click here subscribe. Wait couple of seconds to verify the card. So I need to verify for this detail, and boom, after complete this subscription, look at this here, the plus showing here. If I say here the upgrade the plan, my plus is upgraded. Using this process you can receive 1 month subscription. Using this process you can very easily get 1 month plus subscription absolutely free from ChatGPT. If you have any question related on this subscription, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.